What is computer? Computer is an electronic device that works on IPO cycle, input, process and output. How it works? We input data and instructions into a computer. It processes the data to produce the required output. Functions of a computer. Some basic functions of a computer are input data, process the data, output information, and store data and information. The graphics shows how data travels through input unit to process unit and storage unit and output information is produced. Input function and devices. Input is the data given to a computer. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, microphone, joystick, etc. are used to enter data to the computer. We use keyboard to enter text data. We use mouse to give instructions to the computer. For images and photos data entry, we use scanner. For audio data entry, we use microphone. To give instructions in games, we use joystick. Process function and devices. Working with input data is called processing. Processing input produces output. Without processing, the computer's output would be the same as input. A computer uses CPU or central processing unit for processing data. It gives meaningful result after processing. CPU actually executes instructions. The picture showing the CPU unit of a computer. Inside it, motherboard presents. Also, a picture of motherboard is shown, which is present inside the CPU. Storage or memory, function and devices. Storage is a mechanism that enables a computer to retain data either temporarily or permanently. Computer memory is of two types. One is primary and other is secondary. Primary memory includes RAM and ROM. Secondary memory includes hard disk, CD, DVD, pen drive, memory cards, floppy disk, etc. Output function and devices. Data generated by a computer is called output, or the final result that we get after processing is called output or information. Computer gives output through output devices like monitor, printer, speaker, projector, etc. We get visual outputs through monitor and printed outputs through printer and audio outputs by speaker. We use projector for getting projected visual outputs. What is I/O device? An input-output or I/O device is a hardware device that has the ability to accept both input and output data. I/O devices are with both input and output functionalities. In I/O devices, data is bidirectional, so these are usually categorized under storage or communication. Storage type I/O devices are CD, DVD, ROM drives, USB flash drives, hard disk drives. And communication type I/O devices are network adapters, Bluetooth adapters, dongles, modems and touchscreen monitors. Remember one thing, touchscreen monitors are both input and output devices. Hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer. You can touch hardwares of a computer. Examples are monitor, printer, scanner, keyboard, mouse, CPU, hard disk drives, etc. Software is a collection of instructions, procedures that performs different tasks on a computer system. Or software is a collection of programming codes. Softwares are of two types. One is system software, another is application software. System software helps user to interact with hardware. Examples are operating systems, device drivers, firmwares. Application softwares execute with the help of the system softwares. Examples are word processors, database, multimedia, web browsers, etc. Advantages of a computer. Speed. It processes data with a very high speed. Accuracy. It does logical and arithmetical calculation with 100% accuracy. Storage capacity. It can store huge quantity of data in its storage devices. Multimedia. It can be used as an entertainment device, recording voice, playing games, making movies, play music and videos, etc. Teaching and learning. Now, computers are used for teaching and learning. These can prepare tests and lessons. By connecting to internet, you can ask questions, can do various researches with global connectivity. Remember advantages: speed, accuracy, storage, multimedia, teaching and learning. Disadvantages of a computer. Impact on environment. Waste parts of computer and waste generated by printing of large amount of data are polluting the environment. Health risks. The improper prolonged use of computer can result in injuries or disorders of hands, wrists, elbows, eyes, necks, ears and back. Data security and virus attack. The data stored on a computer can be accessed by unauthorized persons through networks. Many computer virus or programs, when enters into your system, can cause computers to stop working and lose valuable data. Cyber crimes. To commit crime or misbehaving others using computer and internet network is cyber crime. Examples are tampering others' information, hacking passwords, sending unwanted emails and messages, money and relationship frauds, etc. Unemployment. It reduces the need of people and increases unemployment in society. Computers can be used for various purposes such as playing games, listening to music, watching movies, typing documents, solving sums, drawing pictures, chatting, searching information in internet, etc. Uses of computer in different fields. Computers are now used in fields like business, education, healthcare and medicine, retail, trade, marketing, science, arts and entertainment, communication, banking and finance, sports, transport, defense, social, safety and security, weather forecasting, and in many other fields.